I am Uzma of third year BA program standing in front of you to share my views on the topic, what do we need to do to empower women? So, first of all, we need to understand what women empowerment is. Well, women empowerment is giving women the power to recognize and exercise their own rights, to recognize their own value. Let's go back to 1.5 centuries when the customs like Jati Pratha, Dahej Pratha, child marriages, Varna system existed. The women then were not even having this place in the Varna system. The women were considered as a machinery to work and handle their household chores, give birth to a boy, look after their child, and even after that, they were beaten by their husbands and even mistreated by their in-laws. But the situation is somehow better now for upper class and middle class women. They are getting equal opportunities in the sector of education and jobs. Along with social status, they are getting social rights too. The women are excelling today in every field, be it education, sports, bureaucracy, or politics. Women are the best engineers, teachers, doctors, and have a dynamic role as a civil servants. The women are, be it Tanu Jain, Geeta Fogart, Hima Das, or Srimati Sheila Dikshit, as women are excelling in their own fields. But even now, at some point, there arises a feeling of inferiority. In women, even today, at some instances, we face discrimination. Why do women in the corporate world are given less salaries as their male counterparts? Because it is thought that their father or their husband must be earning for them to run their houses. Why the authority thinks before giving a huge project to a woman? Just because they think she may get pregnant anytime and their focus must be shifted. Why only the women are expected to leave their homes after the marriage? Just because she is able to adjust? Why don't we pay attention to the clothes and the timings of our brothers? Why only our sisters face such issues? Maternity leave, be it leave during periods or menstrual sanitation at work, school, colleges, or even at public places. Well, it is biological that women may get pregnant or get periods. But this is the time when they should not be denied to work. They should not be fired because of that reason only. The women should be get paid during their menses. Even now, the women belonging to lower class are not educated and they don't even know what rights they have and what rights they can exercise. Well, I think that to empower women, we need to fight patriarchy first. Why we need to accept ourselves, our mothers, our sisters, our aunts, equal to our fathers, our brothers, and our uncles. Well, we as a daughter should respect our mother's decision equally as we respect our father's decision. Our mothers need to teach their sons the life skills that they teach to their daughters. And at the time of marriages, grooms should also be told that you too are equally responsible and you too should leave house after your marriage and live alone at some other place and share the equal expenses. We all know that Rome was not built in a day, and all these changes cannot be made in a day. So we all together would have to work over them and make the world a better place. Thank you so much.